Actually, other knots means you have to practice once or twice. For this, no need to do practice also. Just move it upwards and make it tight as much as you can. The more the tight you do, the more strength it will be. Okay? Just make it tight, as much tight as you can. Make sure that there are no gaps between. Okay? Now, we are done with this. At last, what we'll do is, since it is a twisted cord, we will remove all this. Since it is twisted, at last what we should have like this fringes. Actually, in macrame we'll have so many types of cords, like twisted cord, single strand and all. Actually, right now I am doing with a twisted cord. So just I am removing all those into a separate threads. Actually, it will take more time. If you are using directly this embroidery thread means the thread which is available ready-made in your home to stitch anything. For this thread, no need to remove it because already it will be in separate threads. If you are using like this thread, no need to remove. Actually, this thread, macrame thread, it will be like a twisted. The one actually that I have chosen will be twisted. So I need to remove each and every thread. I'm just telling so that how you have to do. You have to remove everything. See, the same thing I have done for an earring. I have taken here in a white color. See, here I have removed all the threads separately. Now what I'll do is just take any comb. I'm telling all this material because so that in every home it should be available easily. Normally for macrame we'll have separate combs, but you can use a normal comb also. With a normal comb, just comb it. Just 1 minute. So you comb it until it is coming very smooth. The more you comb, it will come that much smooth. You have to comb. When combing, just hold this part very tight, so that this part you will not do any damage to this part. Just comb it as much as you can until it is fully even and smooth. Okay, and at last just cut it in the small curvy shape like this. For this you can cut directly, or else what you can do is you can take any small paper and just by placing the paper you can cut according to the shape. See, take any small paper. If you want, you can draw and then cut it, or you can just cut directly. You can do anything. So just I am drawing like a small petal shape. Okay. With my students, what I have found out means they will be very cautious and they will have so much of fear, like I will ruin it like that. So if you have that fear, what I suggest is you can take any marker or sketch pen or anything, just keep the cutout and just make markings. You can just draw the outline and then you can cut it. Or else, if you feel that no, it's okay, I can do it normally, means what you do is